Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the terminal and platform. Equip the UAV terminal item and place it in a vehicle or on your person. Once done, confirm power and GPS lock so the terminal can pair with the drone. Without lock, you won't get telemetry. Next, select the UAV on the vehicle interaction menu or via the Zeus/interface. Make sure a pilot or AI group is assigned if you plan to hand off control. This initial setup eliminates common connectivity faults and puts you into the control loop. Open the terminal interface and select the UAV to establish the link. You should see a live camera feed and telemetry if paired correctly. Once linked, choose your mode: recon for observation, active control for manual flying, or return to home for safe retrieval. Use waypoints to plan a route, set altitude to avoid obstacles, and adjust speed for stable sighting. Transition between map and camera views frequently so you can correct drift and confirm target identification, while data streams update. As you finish, command the UAV to return or land and physically recover it to reclaim equipment and prevent permanent loss. Make sure to save any recorded data or mark targets on the map so teammates can act on intelligence immediately. If the drone disconnects or behaves erratically, first check frequency/channel and power or fuel, then verify GPS lock and AI assignment. If needed, rebind the terminal to the platform and relaunch. This quick troubleshooting usually restores control without replaying the whole sortie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.